Good morning, students. And the first cities, the chapter first cities. So far, we studies the major cities, that is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and great Indus Valley civilization. Which are the places that prevail in India and next to the Pakistan? Important Indus Valley sites, and what are the major highlights of the Indus Valley civilization? That is highly developed town planning, drainage system, and pottery and use of seals, how they in with what way they were using in construction of houses, how they were built, and what are the religious practices they had practiced. And also we saw the trade, religion, how the life of the people was existed, and what are the important art and craft, and what are the reasons for the decline of this Indus Valley civilization, like flood and epidemic causes, and over cultivation, deforestations, and also lack of resources. All these climatic change or the natural disasters and migration, all these leads to the decline of the Indus Valley civilization, and even the decline of trade and commerce with the Mesopotamia decline to the Indus Valley region. So now coming to today's topic, that is case study. A particular region has been given as an example to understand the Indus Valley region. In Indus Valley region, one of the notable place was um, like how we studied about the Indus Valley civilization. The that related to one region is given in your textbook. That is Dholavira. Dholavira is a place, it is Indus Valley site in the state of Gujarat. So today we'll study about this place. Okay, children. So children, now we'll know about the place of Dholavira. So Dholavira is the Indus Valley site. Where it is located? It is located in the region of Gujarat state. In the state of Gujarat, this Dholavira is located. Dholavira spelling is Dholavira. Dholavira is one of the Indus Valley site found in the state of Gujarat. And where it is located, its location is at Khadir Highland, KhadirIsland, in Ran of Kutch. It is the highland which is present in the Ran of Kutch. It is located. Where it is located? Dholavira is located in the state of Gujarat, and it is been located at the Khadir Highland in Ran of Kutch. And what it is famous for, this region, that is Dholavira, was the place, its urban center or the city. It is famous for the trade and culture, for its art and craft, religious practices, and the trade. Here the trade is just nothing but the business activities. And Dholavira is one of the largest Indus Valley sites which you are going to find in India. And one of the among two, for the first is Dholavira and the other one is Rakhi Garhi. Rakhigarhi. Rakhi Garhi is in which is will be found in the Hisar district in Haryana state, whereas Dholavira is present in the Gujarat state and the Rakhigarh is present in the Haryana state. So students, this is the Dholavira place which you will be finding in the Gujarat. This is the picture related to the Dholavira Indus Valley site in Gujarat which had given to you in your textbook. So this is how the Dholavira site was being constructed. This is the pic related to Dholavira site. So children, the remains that found at Dholavira tells us that the city was divided into three main parts: the citadel, the middle town, and the lower town. So as the region was divided into two, the upper town and the lower town. In the upper town, usually the all the public utilities activities were carried on, and the lower town it was used for the residential purpose, for the shelter and cultivation and daily life activities was carried on in the lower town, whereas in the citadel the public utilities, the upper officials were lived in the citadel, as that town was divided into two majorly. But here they have given the citadel, the middle town, and the lower town. The remains found at Dolabella. Here the remains is nothing but the evidences or the sources or the things which they have got in the Dolabella place. It reveals, it tells us that the city was divided into three main parts: the citadel, the middle town, and the lower town. In the citadel, it has got four entrances. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಮುಖ್ಯ ದ್ವಾರಗಳು ಇದ್ವು ಅಂತ. In every each direction there was four direction to enter into the city, that urban center. Here the ruler, the rich people, and the important officials lived in the middle town, whereas the lower town, rest of them were lived. Rest of them is other than the officials, the common people were lived in the lower town. So it is believed that the four entrances from each direction was existed, and they may have lived the citadel and the rich people and the important official. While the rest of the people, that is the common people like us, they have resided in the lower town. Like other cities of Indus Valley civilization, Dolavira also represents the remarkable town planning, and the structures, the building was constructed with the help of mud bricks and stone work. So the buildings of the houses were built with the mud bricks and the stone work. So children, moving on to further, as I said, the Dolavira